Hello there! Let's learn on how to create a plan in MYFUNDBOX. Once you have logged into your MYFUNDBOX account, navigate to Plan from the menu. Click on Add Plan option. Now enter your preferred plan name. And your plan's descriptions. Now select the type of your plan as quantity or variable. Fill in the price and currency details. Now pick a billing cycle that works for you: monthly, quarterly, annual, or even a one-time setup, etc. If you want to limit the number of payments, enter a number. For example, 7 means 7 months of payments. And reminders will go out automatically. If you leave it blank, it'll just keep rolling monthly. The steps up to this point are essential for creating a plan, while the upcoming fields are optional but offer added benefits. Enable the Allow Editable option so customers can tweak the quantity. Set minimum and maximum quantities to give them just enough room to decide, while staying in control. Want to sweeten the deal? Enable promotion codes or offer a free trial. Just set the trial days and let the system handle the rest. Reward bulk buyers with discounts. For example, if a customer orders more than 3 items, offer a price reduction. A win-win for both sides. Whether it's inclusive or exclusive, set up your tax preferences. And don't forget to pick the right tax regions. Finally, click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully created a plan in MYFUNDBOX.